Video number 10. How to create Google posts that will win you more customers. Google My Business (GMB) posts are a useful way to connect with customers, allowing local businesses to share their latest offers, events, products, and services. In this video, we explain how to use Google My Business posts to boost SEO and win customers, and share expert ideas for creating Google posts that kick butt. What are Google My Business posts? First launched in 2016, Google My Business posts allow you to share even more information with your audience right from the search results page or from your listing. A Google My Business post can include an image, copy, a call to action, and a URL that you can use to link to a landing page or your website. Each post has a limit of 300 words, but only the first 100 characters or fewer of the post appear in the business's knowledge panel. You can use Google My Business post in many ways: to announce upcoming events, highlight new products and services, clarify changes in hours, share interesting news, or communicate your special offers. Where do Google My Business posts appear? Text, photo, or video posts appear to viewers in 3 core Google My Business locations. The mobile view of updates or overview sections of your profile in Google Search and Maps. The From the Owner section of your profile in the desktop view of Google Search and Maps. Google My Business websites. For example, if you add photos to your business's profile, they'll automatically show as posts in your customer's view. Do Google My Business posts help SEO? Yes and no. Google My Business posts don't directly help your SEO, but indirectly they can. This is because Google My Business posts can entice more users to click to your website by providing relevant and interesting information about your business, your offers, and what you do. Increased clicks to your website and a higher click-through rate on your GMB profile does help your SEO. Types of Google My Business post. The right type of Google My Business post for you will vary depending on what you're trying to achieve. Here are the 5 types of Google My Business posts the platform currently offers. COVID-19 or hours updates. This is a newly added type of post that Google My Business rolled out to accommodate ongoing business changes during the pandemic. Offers. Think of this as the promotional type of post where you can display sales and offers from your business. Products. You can highlight specific products in a special product tab where viewers can go to view pictures, specifications, and other attributes for your selected products. What's new? This provides any general information about your business, like photos, videos, descriptions, or sharing new services. Events. Share upcoming events your business is hosting or participating in with this post type. All events require titles, start and end dates, and timing information. This is an example of a Google My Business event post. How to create Google My Business posts. Log into your Google My Business account. Click Create Post. This appears in 2 different places, so take your pick. Choose your post type. The information that you'll need to enter will change based on the type of post you're creating. Fill out all the fields. Preview your post. Once everything looks good, click Publish. Tips for Google My Business posts. So you know how to create a Google My Business post, but do you know how to create one that gets results? Check out these top tips for your Google My Business posts. 1. Post regularly. Post types without an assigned date range that are more than a week old will be archived by Google. That's why it's a best practice to post on Google My Business regularly to keep your brand consistent and assure your customers that they're looking at up-to-date information. It's easy to let this slip through the cracks, so your best bet is to schedule a short Google My Business session once a week or once a month. 2. Use high-quality pictures or videos. Regardless of the type of information you want to relay in your post, leveraging videos or pictures is a no-brainer because consumers retain 95% of a message when it's in a media format. Now, coming up with high-quality pictures and videos for each post is easier said than done, especially if you're a small to medium-sized business. 3. Keep the text short. One of the biggest mistakes Google My Business posters make is trying to use all the allotted characters, which is a staggering 1,500. Even though it's nice of Google to give so much space to work with, the ideal length for any given post falls between 150 and 300 characters. Not only does this help hold the attention of viewers, but it also increases the likelihood that all the vital information will be shown in the post without a user having to click to read more. 4. And include keywords in your post. When writing your short post, include keywords that would appeal to searchers to increase relevancy. If you're not quite sure what to write, put yourself in the shoes of a consumer and consider what words and phrases would best grab their attention. 5. A/B test CTA buttons. Depending on the post type you select, you'll have the option to add a clickable call to action button to your Google My Business post. Even though you're not able to create custom CTA buttons yet, Google gives you a fair number of options to work with. Try A/B testing CTA buttons to see which one is most effective in getting people to complete your desired action. 6. Optimize your landing page. Before you publish your post, it's always a good idea to make sure your landing page is optimized for visitors. Whether simply linking to a recent blog post, funneling users to a lead capture page, or even driving traffic to a new product, your landing page should be clean and aligned with your Google posts. Lastly, make sure the action you want users to take is clearly communicated and easy to find. 7. Keep it professional. Your Google My Business post represents your business and may be the first real impression a searcher has of you. Keep your posts informational, educational, and professional. Avoid wording that's salesy or subjective to maintain a level of professionalism within your post and keep users engaged so they take action. 8. Proofread and polish up. Going along with professionalism, Google requires that all your posts be honest and upfront with no intention of trying to mislead or scam information out of users. A common reason businesses' posts get taken down on Google My Business, one is due to misspellings or poor quality content. Taking the extra minute to triple-check all the information you share on Google My Business is accurate, up-to-date, and revised accordingly will go a long way. 9. Get familiar with Google's posting rules. Naturally, Google also takes a strong stance against content that is either deemed offensive or in violation of another person or location's privacy. For example, posts that include a phone number may be rejected to stop any repetition since that's already on your listing. Avoid questionable content and stay within Google's guidelines by checking out Google's list of unapproved content. 10. Create kick-butt content. Here are some quick post content ideas to get your creative juices going. Give a quick summary of your latest blog post and link to it. Mention upcoming trade show or events you will be featured or have a booth at. New video on YouTube? Link to it. Feature one of your favorite employees and explain why they're your favorite. Highlight a new product or feature of a product or service you offer. Having a sale or special offer? Make that offer available to your future customers. Something going on in your local community? Get engaged and help promote what's going on in your local area. Do you have any business news you'd like to share? GMB posts are the place to do it. Have a job opening? Posts make a great help wanted signs. Does your biz support a local or national charity? Show your support and try and get contributions for the charity through GMB posts. Post location-specific information like changes to your business hours, emergency closures due to weather, etc. Show off your 5-star reviews with the Google Marketing Kit. Running a contest or giveaway, this is a fun place to promote it. The possibilities are endless. Don't wait. Start posting on Google My Business. Google My Business posts only take a few simple steps and minimal time to create. Most importantly, they're free. With this being such a local-friendly marketing tactic, it's a can't miss for small businesses looking to serve a specific area. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video lesson.